So in this video, we're going to discuss about the concept of floating neutral. So what is floating neutral and in what condition the possibilities of floating neutral arises. So let's discuss about it in a detailed manner. Floating neutral occurs only when the neutral point of a three-phase system isn't properly grounded or connected to the earth by causing it to float at an unpredictable voltage. Simply, we can say that if due to any abnormal condition in the system, if the neutral point voltage is shown, that is called as a floating neutral. Floating neutral happens only if there is a loose or broken neutral connection shown and unbalanced load, that means unbalanced phase currents. So due to any fault in the system, that will lead to floating neutral condition. The floating neutral condition is only prevented by the proper grounding and regular maintenance and balanced load, and also by using the NGR we can prevent the concept of floating neutral.